village far and wide, a farmer lived with sons 3 by his side. Titu, Bitu and Ritu would always fight, shouting, "I'm the smartest, I've got might." One said, "Alone I can do it all." The other 2 laughed, "You'll surely fall." Their father sighed, "This cannot be. Without some unity they'll never agree." One stormy day the sky turned black, a gust of wind gave the window a smack. Through it flew a map so old, marked with a secret fruit of gold. In the jungle deep, the map did say, "Only united you'll find the way." The 3's eyes gleamed, "Let's go today." But soon they began to shout and sway. "I'll go alone," Titu cried. Into the woods he went with pride, but thorns and traps made him yell, in a painful, prickly, spiky spell. Bitu and Ritu heard his scream. They rushed to help as a team. Together they freed their crying brother. "Let's stick together, no more other." They marched ahead side by side, through the forest tall and wide. A clever monkey blocked the track. "You must pass the rock, stack, stack. Crush these stones, all 3 as one, or your adventure here is done." They pressed and pushed with all their might. Crack, the stones broke, what a sight! Up came a shiny golden key, glowing bright with mystery. They reached a cave with a scary door, used the key and heard a roar. Across a cliff so deep and wide, a narrow bridge stretched side to side. A giant robot boomed from the ridge, "Only unity can cross this bridge." Titu said, "Let's tie a rope. If one falls, the others will cope." They tied it tight and took the test. The wind howled, but they did their best. Suddenly Ritu slipped and cried, but the rope held strong, he didn't slide. The robot smiled and moved aside. "You've proven your strength with unity as guide." They reached a tree with glowing light, golden fruit shimmered, pure delight. On it read, "Together you can do it all. Divided you're weak, united you're tall." They returned with joy, hearts so high, tears in their father's grateful eye. "Today," he said, "you made me proud. You are true brothers," he said aloud. From that day on, no more fight. They worked as one both day and night. So friends, remember what they found. Unity's magic is always profound.